And they're up. Kaligatan draws for your lead. Banknet running by the Relandori outside. Ideal View. Yes, sir. I'm yours comes next. Gondor is racing in peep. Moving up Robin Good. Running by the rail is Sentry number 2 Island Friend. Next in line C-Star Ravishing Rafi. And trailing the group is Sheila Princess. Heading towards the last 450. Kaligatan still setting the pace as they turn for home. No change with the leader Kaligatan by about 3 lengths. Banknet remains in secondary outside. Moving up is Ideal View. Yes, sir. I'm yours in between runners. And moving up party outside is Robin Good with the last 100 meters more to run. It's still Kaligatan over Banknet. And finally Kaligatan second, Banknet. Ideal View, 7A, Gondor, then comes Robin Good. Yes, sir, I'm yours, Island Friend, Ravishing Rapi, C-Star, and Sheila Princess.